In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger could not complete call you are already on a call error. Let's get started. First, make sure you are not already in an ongoing Messenger, WhatsApp or phone call in the background. Close any active call windows or apps that might be using your microphone. Close the Messenger app completely on the iPhone. Swipe up to remove it from the background. On Android, go to Recent Apps and close it. Then reopen Messenger and try again. Next up, check for the updates for the app Messenger. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone Storage. Now from the list of apps, find Messenger, launch it, click on Offload App, click on Offload App again. This will clear cache. Now click on Reinstall App. Likewise, make sure you have given all the permission. For that, go to Apps and search for Messenger, launch it, allow all these permissions. Next up, give a fresh restart to your device. This refreshes background processes and clears temporary glitches that might cause Messenger to think you are still on a call. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Messenger from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Messenger could not complete call error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.